Profit Boost Tip: how to increase sales without increasing your marketing budget. Are you tired of wasting marketing and advertising dollars without seeing results? If you'd like to see a better ROI on your ad spend and see an increase in sales, then you'll need to make some changes to your current marketing efforts and follow these 5 simple tips. The key is that you must enhance the ability of your current ads and marketing channels to stimulate a response from quality leads that are most interested in buying from you. You must also make it very easy for your leads to make a decision when they see your ad and then get directed on your landing page where you'll be collecting the contact information. Here are 5 simple tips that will boost conversions without having to spend more money. Number 1, make sure you position your business in the singular rather than multiple way to each niche you target. Your ad must be crystal clear on who you can help and narrow your focus to only serve one target audience at a time. Number 2, deliberately narrow your focus by choosing the one distinct advantage that sets you apart and gives your business a unique competitive advantage. Make sure you communicate all the benefits and not the features of how you can help your target audience. 3, you need to ask how you can make your offer more valuable, versatile, practical, useful. Are you promoting an irresistible offer that your target audience will find hard to refuse? 4, optimize your offer in a way that helps alleviate your prospects' heightened sense of fear and risk. Most individuals only take an action to solve a pain point, so you need to make sure your offer addresses how you can help them solve one specific pain point. Number 5, use vibrant, active words that are powerful and stimulating. The more you can actively capture the interest of your prospect, the greater their chances of getting a favorable response from them. As a bonus tip, do not forget to add an automated nurturing system that will continue to educate and motivate your leads to engage with your company. There are too many businesses that spend the money to acquire leads, but they simply do not follow up after the first touch point. It does take at least 7 to 10 touch points with a lead to build the know, like, and trust factor. It's so important to implement a lead nurturing and follow-up system to increase your sales. If you're new to our channel or enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you'd like additional marketing strategies to increase sales and boost profits, subscribe to our channel. If you'd like help to eliminate wasted marketing dollars to improve your marketing ROI and increase your sales, please go to www.growthadvisorondemand.com. You can book your free Profit Boost call so you can see how we can identify additional ways to help you increase sales. No obligation, no sales pitch. We help businesses boost profits on a pay after results basis.